Hey puzzler, in this puzzle video series, we will solve multiple metal puzzles. This IQ buster perplexing mind puzzle will challenge your mind and keep you busy. Turn off your TV, set aside your mobile and challenge your IQ together with your family and friends. I will unbox this puzzle now. Link in the first comment. Get your own metal puzzle. These 16 different style of metal wire puzzle improve your problem solving skill in a unique way. In this playlist, I will solve all these metal puzzles step by step. You can see this one is the ring and the spring puzzle. This one is a triangle puzzle. So we have to solve this puzzle and separate out these two pieces. So there will be either 2 or 3 pieces. So we have to separate all the pieces from each other. This is the alpha puzzle. This one is the most difficult MW puzzle. I will solve this puzzle as well in the playlist. If you want to play with this kind of puzzle, check the link in first comment and enjoy the puzzle playlist on Payazee channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.